Hello class, what's up, is Raj here. So today we are discussing about the immunology paper June 2022. Okay, so first question is class, what is spleen? Spleen is the filtering blood-borne antigen. Okay, what do you mean the red pulp? Red pulp is the breakdown of defective RBC. Next question class, what is lymphoid cortex? If you're talking about the lymphoid cortex, the answer is very simple, rich in B cells, that is known as lymphoid cortex. Lymphoid paracortex rich in T cells. Okay, so these are come under in the lymphoid paracortex. Next question class, define the following. Haptene. What is the haptene? Haptene is a small molecule that cannot produce immune response alone, okay, but becomes antigenic when attached to a carrier protein. Okay, so if you're talking about this class, haptene is a small molecule that cannot produce the immune response alone first, and but becomes antigenic when attached to a carrier protein, that is known as heptene. If we're talking about the cytokinins, what do you mean by it? The cytokinins are a small signaling protein released by the immune cells that regulate immunity and inflammation. So cytokinins is a small signaling protein, okay, that to work the released by the immune cells first of all, that regulate immunity and inflammation, both come under in it, that regulate the immunity and regulate the inflammation. Next, Burosha of fabricus. So Burosha fabricus is a lymphoid organ in a birds where the B lymphocytes are mature. First of all, so Burosha fabricus is the lymphoid organs in a birds first of all where B lymphocytes are the mature. Next, polyclonal antibodies. If you're talking about the polyclonal antibodies, the answer is very simple class. These are the antibodies produced by the different B cells clones, okay, against the different epitopes of the same antigen. So in the polyclonal antibody are the antibodies produced by the different B cell clones first of all, and after that against the different epitopes, okay, against the different epitopes come under in of the same antigen. Next question class, true false? You take it. Lymphocytes are the effector cells of adaptive immune system, that is true. Next we're talking about hematopoietic stem cells are not pluripotent cells, false. Okay, APCs directly interact with the mast cells, that is also false. NK cells do not contain TNF, that is also false. So the difference you can write down in examination, helper T cell and cytotoxic T cells. So what